Now we'll be discussing under the criminological research and statistics, the statistics portion of our study. Let's see the statistics of the criminological research. To start with, we will be discussing the sampling, refers to the method of choosing subject in a particular study. So we have two basic approach in our sampling. The first is the probability. When you say probability, we have the system and we have randomized, and of course we have non-probability. That means we have no system in choosing our sample. Define probability sampling means we have the following: the simple random, we also have the stratified random, the cluster, systematic interval, and under the non-probability, we have the convenience, the quota sampling, and the purposive or judgmental. And of course, we have the snowball. So it depends upon your research, what kind of sampling method you will going to employ to your study. If you have a system in your in choosing your sample, then go to probability. And if you don't need a system in choosing your sample, then you are using non-probability sampling. Now, let's see the levels of measurement, which is a process that employs the rules to assign the numbers to phenomena. So we have the following. The first is the nominal. Observation are categorized or sorting based on defined properties. Each category is distinct, mutually exclusive, and exhaustive. Okay, under nominal, the following are the example. We have gender. Maybe you are looking for the religious affiliation or the college major, hair color, birthplace, nationality, or the tribe. So those are the nominal levels of measurement natin. So next is the ordinal. Ordinal scores or observations are ranked in order without distance between individuals. For example, age group when rank, okay? And these are ordinal, we are looking for order, the rank, okay? And the socioeconomic status. We also have the level of conflict as an our example when you have the levels of measurement called ordinal. Next, interval. With equivalent intervals between numbers where there is no absolute absence of the attribute because zero is assigned and represents an arbitrary point. Example, temperature and the IQ score. So there are intervals in those levels of measurements. The next, we have the what we call ratio. This is in contrast to the interval where there exists an absolute absence of the attribute or the rational zero. Example of ratio, the age, height, weight, length of time. So let's see what are the common statistical tools that are used under the criminological research. First is the descriptive statistics. Is a procedure concerned with the describing of the characteristics and properties of a group or person, places, events, or objects. Because ito yung pinaka-common na ginagamit sa criminological research dahil more on descriptive ang mga studies dito. So, statistical tools are the following. First, we have the mean, the median, the mode, frequency, and percentage. So, frequency and the percentage are very common, but let me discuss to you the mean, median, and mode. When you say mean, or we are looking to the average, no? Sum of all the values and divide them by number of values. Halimbawa, yung mga data mo are the following. 15 plus 13, 18, 16, 14, 17, and 12. Yan yung mga lumabas mong mga value. Ang gagawin mo lang para makuha mo yung mean, i-add mo lahat ng mga values na ito and then bilangin mo how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So add them all and then divide by 7. So if you add these 7 values, you will get 105 and divide by 7, you will get 15. Therefore, 15 is your mean. Next, we have the median. The median, the score found at the exact middle of the set score. Paano yon? Your values are the following: 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bilangin mo kung ilan silang mga numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, ibig sabihin, ang gitna natin is 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 ang gitna, 1, 2, 3 din. So tatlo sa kanan, tatlo sa gitna, sa kaliwa, I mean. So ang pinakagitnang number is 6. Therefore, median, middle. Okay? Your median here among the values is the number 6. Now, paano naman kung wala tayong gitnang number? Gaya nito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. How many numbers are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, itong 8 na to, dalawa magiging gitna niya. Ang 4 tsaka ang 5 dahil tatlo dito sa kaliwa, tatlo dun sa kanan. So, 4 and 5, therefore, gagawin mo, median, ang 4 and 5, i-add mo lang sila. And then, dahil dalawang value ang pinag-add mo, i-divide by 2 mo, therefore, your median will be 4.5. Okay? Let's now solve or have define and give example to the mode. Mode in the values is the most frequently occurring value in the set of scores. Kung ano daw yung laging lumalabas na value sa sets ng mga scores. Example, 6, 3, 9, 6, 6, 5, 9, 3. So among the number, meron tayong 3. Lumabas ito dalawang beses, 3, 3. Yung 6, ito, isa, 1. 9, lumabas ang 9 dito. 6, pangalawa. 6, pangatlo. 5, isa. 9 again, dito isa. 3, doon sa 3. Ibig sabihin, pag tinignan mo kung anong pinakamadalas na lumabas dyan, ang 6 ang pinakamaraming labas, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, your mode here is the number 6. Bakit? Not because nasa middle siya, but because siya ang pinakamaraming beses na lumabas among the values dito, no? Now, we have the what we call inferential statistics. Is the statistical procedure that is used in draw information about the characteristics or property of a large group. So, ito yung procedure ginagamit natin pag gusto mo makakuha ng information sa mga characteristics o ano ba yung property ng isang large group natin. So, inferential statistics. Now, it is used also when it is impossible to study the large group. Okay? How can we have that? Diba? The tools are the following. T-test, we have the Z-test, we have the F-test, or the one-way or two-way ANOVA, or the analysis of variance. We have the Pearson R and the chi-square. Let's see them. The population refers to the totality of objects, persons, places, or things used in the particular study of research. So, yung kabuuan ng mga object o tao man yan o lugar man yan o mga bagay na gagamitin mo doon sa particular study ng research mo. No? Example ng total population natin, all criminology students of Colegio de Sebastian. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng estudyante ng CDS o ng Colegio de Sebastian will be the what we call population ng study, or all police officers of Angeles City Police Office. So, ibig sabihin, ang population ngayon ay ang lahat ng police officers ng Angeles City. But now, after population, we have the what we call sample. Sample is a portion of the population. Kumbaga, yung sample na to ang magre-represent sa kabuuan ng population. or isang bahagi ang sample ng population mo. Example, kanina ang ating population ay criminology students ng Colegio Sebastian. Now, among those criminology students, we have criminology students who are taking their internship program. Yung mga interns ay kasama o bahagi ng kabuuan ng estudyante ng Colegio de Sebastian. Isa pa, police officers who are assigned in the change of command and turnover ceremony. So, yung mga naka-assign na police sa change of command and turnover ceremony ay bahagi ng kabuuan ng lahat ng police ng Angeles City Police Office. That is the sample. To illustrate, ito siya. Yung target population mo ay itong malaking circle ng mga taong ito. And then, this portion ng buong sample mo, ito siya, sample ang tawag dyan. So, ang portion ng buong population is what we call the sample. Now, we have the word variables also. Is characteristics or property of a population sample that is differentiated a particular members from the rest, no? So, ang variable na to ay isang characteristic, no, or property ng population natin, ng sample natin, na magdi-differentiate sa particular member from the rest, no? Katangian niya, kumbaga, halimbawa, among population, ano ba yung kanilang mga age? Yan. Ano ba yung sex nila? Ano ba yung color ng skin nila? Intelligence nila? O ano yung attitudes nila? So, those characteristics o yung variables na ito ang magagamit natin to differentiate these particular members from the rest of your population. Constant naman, on the other hand, characteristics or a property of a population or a sample which is common to all members of the group. Kanina, yung variable, siya yung magdi-distinguish from one another sa kabuuan ng sample mo. Yun naman constant, siya naman ang common sa lahat ng iyong mga sample or sa lahat ng population mo. Ano yung pagkakapare-pareho na naman nila? Example, women and children's desk. Ano sila? Pare-pareho silang mga babaeng police officers, no? What is common to them all is both they are all police officers, no? O sa lahat ng population mo, ibig sabihin lahat sila police, o lahat ng population mo, lahat sila ay criminology students, no? And then we have the formula to remember. So I suggest that as a criminology student, you need to look into the following formula. Remember them because they might be used in solving some problems in your board exam. Example, the population density. Yung formula natin sa crime density. Monthly crime rate, how do we solve the monthly crime rate? Average monthly crime rate, how can we have, what is the formula for crime solution efficiency? The formula for frequency of crime, and the formula for the computation for the arrest rate, and the formula for the percentage distribution. So you must understand or remember the following formula, no? So far, ganito muna yung discussion natin. So watch out pa sa ating susunod na video. Nakatuloy naman ng ating criminological research and statistics. Thank you very much. God bless you. Jesus saves, and to God be the glory.